guys, Sujit back here with another video tutorial, and in this video we will be wrapping this laptop or netbook, and I will be wrapping it with this carbon fiber vinyl. This one I got from Amazon. I will provide all the links below. Now the tools that you will require will be first a handicraft knife. It looks like this. If you don't have this, you can just use your usual knife like this. Next thing that you will require will be something like this. This is for applying the skin. The last thing would be something to heat it up. Now I am using this heat gun from Black & Decker. If you don't have this, you can use your hair dryer, so that looks something like this. This will also work without any problem. So let's begin with applying the skin. First of all, make sure you have cleaned the laptop or the device that you are putting the skin on. By the way guys, I'm not a pro in these things, but still I will show you guys how I apply these skins on my products. So yeah, so I have cut off this skin, which will go like that. First make sure it's all clean. And now we will just use this heat gun to stretch it out and apply it. And you will have to just smoothen out all these edges like that. So it's applied from the top. Let's go to the bottom part now. So you guys can probably see the wrap is complete, and this is how the device looks like. It was a little tough because this laptop was having these hinges and it's tough to get your knife cutting around that. You have to be very careful not to harm yourself or your device, or you can end up scratching your device. Now it isn't the perfect way to apply the skin, like there was some area left because this skin fell short. So yeah, but as you guys can see, still it looks really cool and you can get it for really cheap. So that's pretty much it. If you have any query, do let me know. I will try wrapping some more device, and you always require some practice for doing this kind of stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. If you like this video and if you like what I did, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.